Hello guys, and be welcome back to the channel. Today, and to celebrate the 10 years of Arma Hobby, we bring you the P-51B Mustang in 1/72 scale. This kit comes with a plastic model kit, decals for 4 different versions, and masks. So, this promises a lot. Let's see if it delivers. Right, let's open the box and see what we have inside. So, opening the box, we have a full plastic bag with many goodies inside. I'm gonna try to do this without... I'm sorry. Let's put the plastic bag on there. So we have one bag with the canopy. We have an instruction manual with decals inside, masks, and then we have 2 sets of sprues. Okay, so let's see what we have around here. So let's look into detail into this. What's that? A piece of masking tape. So looking into the first sprue, it seems very well detailed. The fine details are absolutely superb, and as painful as I might say, as painful as it is to me to say this, they look better than an Airfix one. And guys, I love the Airfix one, 1/72 P-51. But this one, you see here, the lines are so crispy and finely molded. Here, this area, all these rivets are absolutely stunning. Flash wise, there's not much, if any at all, to be honest with you. I don't see flash at all. And yeah, I think we can have a few versions with the fin tail and without the tail, and it looks absolutely stunning, honest to God. There's loads of small details like this one for the cockpit that can be added. This is the battery boxes. The cockpit panel, the instrument panel, sorry, looks really good as well. Very well detailed for the scale. It's a little gem, to be honest with you. First time I'm opening it, and I'm absolutely... You have the molded details on here, and then on here we should get that instrument panel on here. So looks really good. I'm assuming this will be the battery box for here. So yeah, it's looking rather snazzy, to be honest with you. So moving on to the second sprue, we have the exhausts, we have the drop tanks. I believe this will be bombs of what type, I don't know exactly. The propeller, air intake, pilot seat. This one, I don't know what could it be, but it should be something. And yet again, the level of detail is absolutely stunning. And go to this precision and not having any flash is absolutely incredible. Look at this. This is the direction column. There's no flash. The back of the seat, no flash. So yeah, it's incredible. It's really good. I quite like it. Then we have the canopies, clear parts, which you can see they are clear. No damage, no scratches, and they look really good. I thoroughly like them. And bear in mind that this model, I got it on sale on Amazon. I think it cost me 10 quid. So it's a good model for it's a good bargain for the price. Honest to God, it is. So let's go to the instruction manuals. We have the masks for the canopy, which they look that they have been cutted fairly well. The round parts for the wheels look absolutely perfect, so it's a good start. Then we have the decals itself. I quite like this. I like everything that is quirky and snazzy. But yeah, we have the old crow. I think I've done this one before in 48 scale. It's a beautiful scheme, very good scheme, and I've done it before, so this will be one that I'll be looking into it. Decals don't seem to be too thick. At least I can't feel them much, and they look very well printed. There's no pigmentation here. There's nice solid colors, so they look very good. They have been printed by Arma Hobby. Tecmo. Could it be? I don't know. I need to investigate that further. Instructions, as you can see, in colors, very concise and very detailed, to say the least. And I don't think there's much space for us to go wrong. All the decals are present, the colors that you need to paint it. In here, you have the hose for the radio controller. Oh, this part goes on here. So this part is the intake, the air. I think that's air intake or something like that. Again, very well detailed instructions. That's looks amazing. More details on here so that you know exactly what you're doing. Then goes together fairly quick. So 21 steps, and we have the plane assembled pretty much. No, yeah, 22 steps to assemble everything. And as you guys can see, very well detailed. So then we have the color schemes. You have the old crow, sorry. As I said, I've done this before in 48 scale, which is absolutely amazing. We have the Mighty Midget on here. You have the Geronimo Pilot. And then you have... Oh! You have the Blue Bastards. This one is from Bodney Air Base, which is fairly close to me. And I've done this one before. I've done one of those before, and to be honest, tempted to do this one again, just because it's so close. Although you got to love this one. You got to love this one. Honest to God, this just screams for me, because I like these quirky and unusual paint camos, and this one is absolutely a pain to build or to paint. Don't get me wrong, because you have the two separations of green with the silver, I would assume, and then this part to paint, because we don't want decals with these. We want to paint them. So yeah, it's really good. Really love it. So let's recap what we have, guys. We have one manual with very good instructions. We have masking sheet for the canopy. We have beautiful decals. We have one plastic sprue, two plastic sprues. On the back of the box, I believe that you can have a feeling of the schemes that you can build, which is absolutely amazing. The box is flip top box, so it's really good as well. I love that. So yeah, it's a future project, to say the least. So guys, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope that you like it. And on a quick side note, what I've seen so far from here, instruction wise, injection wise, I do much rather prefer this one over the Airfix one. And the Airfix one is an absolutely dream to put on, an absolutely dream to build, but this looks better. So the best way for us to identify it is to build it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna build it soon, and I'll let you guys know about everything that's going on here. But on the meantime, please like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the notifications, and when I post the video of the build, you can be notified. And if you don't like it, please let me know in the comments why you didn't like it so I can improve my content. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you ever so much, and we'll see you around. Bye bye for now.